Oh my god! Stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button. We have goals to hit 1,000K, so help us do that by hitting the subscribe button. It is completely free. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Previously, I got the frames built, used screws too long.
If at first you don't succeed, stop!
Meant to get 2 inches, they were out, so we got 2.5 inches, and the board behind is not a 2x2. Thank you so much for choosing our video to watch. This is what the outside looks like.
Kind of up that way. You want to get down low, look up in.
I'm not even sure if it was catching it. The heater is working good. Careful, remember what happened to Kara and Nate.
So... why is this happening? Turn it off. Just turn it off.
Oh my god! Are you sure you're ready for this one? Is it on? Oh, there it is.
Well, it won't fire up until it gets hot enough.
Neat.
Few moments later.
Wonder if we wrote a propane.
Maybe.
It's not. Oh, there it goes. Ah. Yeah, it fired up, so it takes a bit before it actually comes through.
Well, it probably hasn't been used anything.
Yeah, well, it's adjusted. It's working. Check that out. It's full.
We got the outside sealed back up. We used premium urethane grade sealant. Please leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Started to get the insulation back in. The front is really starting to come apart now.
We use the heat-treated 4x4 right here. It's attached to the frame of the trailer. We're going to have a framework coming down from the top. The woodwork, which still needs to be removed here, will be new frame, new woodworking going all the way down to the front wood. This heat-treated 4x4 is bolted to the frame. 4 bolts are going to be bolted through the beam into the camper at the bottom to hold it solid, and also it is bolted on the other side to the frame and all the way across.
Starting to get the fridge area clean. This is what it looks like at the end of day 8. Had to spray some more kills.